Hi, this is CJ with Florida Trail Stompers with your Tuesday tip of the week. Very important, what we're going to discuss today is radiators. These Jeeps, like many other vehicles, come with the aluminum core on the side with the plastic tanks on either side. They're only held there by spring tension, and that's how it's applied to the side tanks. Very important. You're always going to get this cracking either from the top hose, the bottom hose, sometimes where the plastic is attached to the metal core, you will get that leaking. My suggestion for you folks, get the all aluminum. This is a 100% aluminum radiator. Don't have that problem going on a trail. Take a stick or a branch to the side of the tank of the radiator, have it crack, you're out of luck. With the all aluminum one, never have this problem. So this is your Tuesday tip of the week. Thank you again.